don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sikukune 1. I'm joined by Mr. Beke Libeke, Mr. Versace Ross. It's proud to over.
Hola, Sivo.
It's proud to over.
How's it, my brother?
Sure.
But Elisizwe Lamapagania. Asoze sapela mandla. Asoze sapela mandla. Olisizwe Lamapagania. Asoze sapela mandla. Asoze sapela mandla. Sivo. Greetings, my brother.
Yeah.
First things first.
Yes.
Happy Women's Day.
Yes.
Happy Women's Day to my wife. Hello, baby. Hey, now come on. Hey, my God.
From that.
Hey, my God. Hey, now. Don't do that.
Land the food.
Provincial, it's confidential. Let me out. It's about to over. How no more? Bonga munye uzengenye it's a fake. Kinaki one. Akekho ufana nalo. My brother, congratulations to our ex-coach.
Yes.
Jose Rivero.
Yeah.
Ngibona bamphe bathini Jeto.
Yes.
T1.
Yeah.
Congratulations to you, Mr. Rivero, for the new car that you got.
Yes.
If you want to take the car from where you are to Spain,
Yeah.
you know who to call. Speed dial.
Yeah.
Nkona.
Yes.
Serious.
Yes.
Speed dial.
How can you look at
Una speed dial. Yangithola. I-report olifikile Stibo
Sure.
about the game now last Polokwane City.
Yes.
They like to thank all the members of Zilo Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Ayikho ifoni lahlekile.
Yeah.
Akekho umuntu otshontshelwe.
Yeah.
Everything went well.
Yes.
Ama supporters abhivile.
Yeah.
Akekho umuntu olwile.
Yeah.
So Orlando Pirates management ithi yabonga kuma fans wonke nebakhona egroundini bazosupport ibhola.
Yes.
Coming to the game.
Yeah.
Today is Tivo.
Yeah.
Today, my brother, the game was not given.
Hey.
But I trusted the process.
Yeah.
We win some, we lose some.
Yeah.
It's part of football.
Yes.
Young Tola.
Yeah.
Hey, coach, wara. Relax. Relax.
Yeah.
Relax. It's not how we start,
It's
but
how?
we finish. Young Tola.
Yeah.
It's a marathon.
Yes.
Yabana manje bajabulile ukuthi maybe siluzile njani.
Va.
Kusasa maybe abanye bayowina. So nama game mara ngisho bane airtime eningi thole sebakhuluma kakhulu ukuthi the league is gone wara. So pick up to the boys, they played even though lapho nalapho kunalapho ukuthi maybe miss chances now, but they did very well Joe. Bashaya amapala. If the luck is not on your side, I couldn't think if the football coach say no, they know it's a no.
Yes.
So our biggest enemies, per se, in terms of competition,
Sure.
is Sundowns Troile. Tina we've lost.
Yeah.
Lava banyala bina bang two lava.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Not even Kaizer Chiefs alone.
Or the rest.
All of the teams. I don't say that. My enemy is only one.
Yeah.
It's Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
So mina ngibhekana neMamelodi Sundowns. These ones I know abo lathalatha nje bayothatha. So abangithusi.
Yeah.
And then Tina just TV tungukutshela thing.
Yeah.
We don't call them Osavo no. Tina sabasayina lama player lawa jo. Yangithola jo. Osavo. No. Tina senda Osavo. Yangithola prime. We send players. Yangithola. For Solankani Jessica no Umtawungu. Basenza ama TikTok challenges. Tina Speed send ama player.
Jessica shama TikTok challenge.
Oh, Jessica, no, Matman. No, Tina, we're busy signing players. So khona manje I want to make you influence and you call it no. Mfonele itime la lentwana. Bathu bani uMariko.
Yes.
Yangithola. Ngifuna ufonele umanagement. Yeah, the boy. Yangithola jo. Ngimtshela ukuthi jo compliments.
Yes.
Hello, uzwelele jo. Hello, how are you sir?
Thanks, how are you?
I'm good. You are speaking to Hova here. Minier, can you hear me?
Who am I speaking to?
Yes, Wakalacho.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Who are you?
You are speaking to Hova. That one, Hova Wamalapi, Hortman.
Oh, all right, I remember you.
Okay, I just wanted to say thank you for giving us the player. For now, he's been man of the match for 3 matches in consecutive. Like he's been the man of the match for over 3 match consecutives. He has won the man of the match for 3 games now. So we just wanted to say thank you for giving us such a talent. For now, in South Africa, on the other teams, there's no player like him. So we just wanted to say thank you for lending us Mariko Minierne.
Definitely, we appreciate very much.
And then come month end, I think we are going to give you 500,000 for just for compliment as a bonus from Orlando Pirates. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So Stibo, all right, thank you, Minierne. Thank you. Stibo, Tina, abantu laba cho, as phone for the prime. Siyasayina. Yangithola inkabi yami. And then come nge16, angisho MTN 8. Ngifuna ukutshela kumakhelwane abasePitori, iSundowns ukuthi Joe, they must behave.
Yes.
Nebazala esikotini.
Yes.
Lento le nebayenza lesikhathi se-FNB bazolole center line.
Yes.
No, they must not do that, Joe.
Yeah.
Like sesikotini, it's a home ground Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
So please, long, no Josie. Long and Josie. Angeke le nabale bethangi siguphi. Lenkuto sise ne. You must behave. Because of more
Either you behave or you jump.
It's either you behave or you jump. So I want to say to them, when we meet here, you must behave. We don't want to argue with you. This one is not about argue with. You go to Reynolds Center Line. Because you know what? Last time, let's say 7P, this is our home ground, but they tell us where to sit. So they must listen to our rules. This is our house. So Josie and Long. Yeah, no So you must behave. So you get them for it too. Minimum. So Eric remember getting the corner and one of the mention mina namuta nipa umfuke you must behave.
57 phela soyiqeda manje.
So mara angisho ngizobathi last time if I remember ngizobathi uJosie is broke, but I think Josie is broke because of ngalama now, but mara I think Josie is better than Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, Josie, I think maybe it's better. I think maybe financially so. Kaizer Chiefs is more broker than Josie. I think we are going to see Josie here. So mangi keta ngithi man of the match ngipha urile. He really played well today. It's just that maybe if the luck is not on your side, there's nothing to do. Young tall. So ngiyavana mapakashushu bophana majita sihlanganeni esikotini bahlangana neSundowns. Bola.
Thank you, power. Thank you, power. Thank you, power. Thank you, power. Thank you, power.
I don't beat it up.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.